It's me, Berg, with Made with Berg. So glad you could come today. Thank you for spending time with me. I know that you have lots of other choices, and I'm so happy you're watching this video. Give me a like and subscribe. This is in my insulated cup. I love it. It fits in the car so greatly. If you like this, go to giftmallard.com and you can pick one up for yourself. All right. Now, as I probably said in some of my other sticker hauls, a ton of stickers have come in, all of my fall stuff. So I am doing sticker hauls on those. And I wanted to start with two companies today. I am going to do this brand new company called River and Ink that I just bought stickers from. It's brand new to me. I don't know if it's brand new to you, and then Imagine That by Lori. So these all came in. They're so cute, and I cannot wait to show you. Yay! So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start with the Lori one. She gives you a tongue depressor, a popsicle stick to help you mark down, lay down all the stickers. I thought that was cute. All of these come in little, just little padded envelopes and things like that. So the packaging was cute, but it wasn't worth showing. Okay, so now let me show you what I did. So there's this, and then I'm going to get, I ordered these different packs. This is Imagine That by Lori. I found this based on another thing that I saw on YouTube, another lady doing stuff. So this is your freebie. It's color, so you could color these with your markers and use them, or just use them as they are. I thought that was cute. It's Imagine That by Lori, where cuteness meets functional every day. Isn't that cute? And then I also received these I purchased in November. I thought these were cute, and they'll be perfect in like my journal or maybe my health plan or something like that. And then I bought pickleball stickers and I think these are just the most adorable thing. Can you see that? They are actual pickles with a pickleball paddle, and they say pickleball under it because we have been playing a ton of pickleball. Isn't that cute? And then this is no spend. I'm trying to, save up a little bit here. I want to get into savings this year. That's going to be part of my goals for next year, to save so much. And then I bought two cute little packs, and I thought these are absolutely perfect. They're going to be great for my work planner or my personal planner, and I'll show you these little mini packs that I bought. This one, they're all fall. Everything's fall, and look for these because I'll be doing layouts with these, and you'll be able to see them. Let's get into these. Ooh, these are a little hard. Okay, now I haven't opened these, so I have no idea what's in here. So let's just take a peek. Okay, so isn't this cute? You get a cute bookmark. Isn't that cute? It's double-sided. I didn't know these came with this. How adorable is that? And I love the paper. It's kind of a shiny little paper. Okay, you get an individual sticker. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. I think she's in Florida. River and Ink, I think, is in Florida too. So I got these fairly quickly. And then she sent you this with it. It's got a little bit, I think these are a sticker. Let's see. Is that a sticker? I think these come off, maybe. Anyway, we'll see. I don't think they do. I think it's just cut like that. Okay, so you got a little bit of an appointment box here, and then you have two little mini stickers and Autumn Festival. Isn't that cute? Okay, and then this one comes with some full boxes, which I absolutely love. I love the way she's using that. And then the crow, I just thought was adorable with the pumpkins. I kind of want to do a scarecrow party, but I don't know if I'll get it together. Then you've got appointment boxes and the little triangles and flags. You've got all these to-do boxes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there's 7. So it's enough for a week. Isn't that cute? And then you get another thing of full boxes, which I thought was adorable. And then you get bigger appointment boxes with autumn, pumpkin patch, sweater weather, and the cute little crows. Oh my goodness, how cute is this? And then, these are adorable. So you've got some deco kind of stickers. You've got the date covers and small washies. These will be perfect in my health planner. I mean, absolutely perfect. And then you have got the monthly. So you've got the little numbers. So isn't that adorable? So that's what those look like. These are cute. I have not ordered from her before. And then I got this one, which is the duck one, but this is also cute. Okay, so this was the full set of the duck. Let me get this out of the way. And again, you get the most adorable, I think this is a goose, not a duck, sorry. You get the adorable little book mark. Isn't that cute? And then you get the individual sticker, which I thought is adorable. And you must get two, yeah. So you get two of these with the tracker kind of, or the checklist kind of things, and then you get the plaids. I love this. So she's got the dark polka dot here, lighter here, and then she's got the cute goose on top, and the use of the plaid. That is a cute, very fall plaid. Okay, and then you've got the same thing, just the opposite, but the same exact ones. They're different. This one is scarf, and this one has the daisies. This one just is holding a daisy and has the daisy crown, I guess we'll call it. Headband, maybe. Okay, so here are the small appointment boxes and the to-dos. You've got your triangles, and then you've got your flags, different plaids, polka dots, adorable. Oh my goodness, these colors are perfect fall. You've got deco boxes, you've got your name colors, your mini washies, mini checklists, perfect, perfect. And then you have the large ones. How cute is that? And you've got the goose. You've got them all 3 in a row. Then you have individual ones and just a sunny goose. How cute is that? I'm sorry, am I out of the frame? And then you've got all these little ones. Aren't they cute? So that is Imagine That by Lori. So you can find those, and I will link, of course, that below, as I would link all of my stuff. Now, the next sticker company that I ordered from that's new to me, I don't know if it's new to you, but it's called River and Ink, and they have a ton of stuff. So I love how she packages this, because look, any side you flip this on, you see stuff. She does it so that you, okay, so let me pull this out. This is River and Ink. This is the newest. I thought these were adorable. All right, so I ordered different sets. This is the Sweetest Pie set, and so the date covers are, isn't this cute? The date covers are apples. You've got your caramel apples right here. Oh my goodness, look at this. I'll get out of the way so you can see it. The little bucket, the little bin of apples. You've got your apple pie. Isn't that cute? I just thought these were great for fall. And then you get the little ripped boxes in the corners, which I thought were perfect. And then the paintbrush ones in all these beautiful, aren't these beautiful fall colors? And then here's your appointment boxes for this one. And I think, let me see, do I have that? I think those must be your extras that you get. Let's see. Yeah, I think those are my extras. Isn't that nice? She sends you all of these as extra. Huh, that's pretty cool. So those are really cute. I like those. Let's set that aside. Sweetest Pie. So you could actually do a week with this with your dates. You've got your decos. You've got appointment boxes. How cute was that? All right, now this next one is the fall set. And these are very, very detailed. I think these are beautiful. You got your front porch, your kitchen scenes, your little cozy book nook. And here this says, Autumn kissed the earth, and suddenly everything felt like home. Isn't that cute? And this says, take time to sit and watch the leaves fall, or turn, excuse me. Isn't that cute? You've got the cabin scene. I just love these. These are very detailed. I don't know if they're coming out well on the filming, but anyway, I just thought they were so beautiful. So I got those, and then they come with all these beautiful decos you can get. And this says sweater weather, and I just love the colors. They're fall colors, but they're kind of pastel. They've even got like a pink tone to them. They're kind of, you've got some pink in here too, so it's not too harsh of the colors. And then here are the appointment boxes, and then your, your different icons and your different things like payday, shopping. You've got bill due. Isn't this cute? You've got bill due. You've got trackers down here. You've got morning and night. I like that. I like those kind of trackers. And look at this. Okay, so you've got some more. Then you got your headers on this page with the to-dos. You've got some more deco boxes and tons of lists you can do. Aren't that nice? You can also use these as headers if you want to turn them sideways. This is so cute, and I love the colors again. And then here are the day boxes that you get, and this is gingham. You can't see this orange and white maybe. I don't know if that's going to turn out. And then you got the numbers, the weekend, and look at these cute boxes. I just thought these were cute sets. I love the drawings and things she's used on here. And then this is the washies, which I think is cute. It's the gingham with the little flowers and leaves and stars. And then you've got all these adorable Post-its here, and you've got the flowers hooked together. Isn't this cute? And then here is canceled and rescheduled, which is perfect because sometimes you need them, but sometimes you don't. All right, now I also got the check boxes, the to-do boxes, which I think are perfect. And then you get the smaller set, which I did so that I can do my health planner. So you get mini check boxes, mini appointment boxes. Look at all these cute fall icon things you've got, the Monday through Sunday. Isn't that adorable? And then here are your day covers for the health planner, and these. Now these I can use in my regular planner. It's gonna be perfect, or my work planner. And actually these fit in my work planner, and I can actually use this in my work planner. So we'll just see where I use it. I don't know yet. You've got your trash and your little trash, don't forget, not today, must do, and important. You've got 4 cute deco boxes of some of the scenes in the full boxes. You've got the mini washies, and then the mini little, I don't know, curly cue boxes. I don't know what you want to call those. And then you got one big one, which is cute. And this says weekend. Isn't that adorable? I thought these were cute. Okay, so that's her sets. The sets come with a bunch of stuff. Sometimes I ordered the extras. I'm sure I've ordered some add-ons on those, so I just don't know exactly what I've done, but you can get the gist of it. Now, this I thought was adorable, and I will probably use this in my health planner or my work planner. I'm not sure which, but you've got the day covers here, and you've got your small washies. Look at the decos of these. It says Hello Pumpkin. I love Hello Pumpkin. That's my theme this year. To do, I've got little pumpkins here. And then this one I thought is so cool. It comes with the extra decos on the side. You never get that. These were all very reasonably priced as well. You get the little appointment boxes, the big memory box. You get trackers here. The week, you've got your recycle, trash, clean, don't forget, not today. You've got little appointment boxes here, flags. I mean, look at this set. Isn't this amazing? I thought these were just adorable. And then I bought the deco boxes. Aren't those cute? The deco stickers. Spooky season. And then I bought the set, the Halloween set, and I went whole hog on this one. So I did the add-ons and everything, I believe. I think the set comes with maybe 6 boxes. I'm not sure what it comes with, but it comes, as I recall, it comes with a whole lot. And I wanted to just test these stickers out. So isn't this cute? I love the pumpkin patch with the ghosts, and you've got the haunted house, and 'tis the season to be spooky. Hello Pumpkin. All the different corn maze, haunted house, pumpkin patch, hay rides. How cute. The apple corner. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Isn't this the cutest? And you've got the little jack-o'-lantern heart things. Oh, I just love these. These are cute. And they're just nice, whimsical. I like whimsical Halloween. I'm not into the scary stuff. There's the date covers, and here are the little numbers for the month. You've got long appointment boxes or bigger ones, and then the curly Q ones. You get your weekend, your little icons, different words like laundry, cleaning, day off, happy mail, and the little icons up here in the pastel colors that match. You've got your bills due, your appointment boxes. I love these. Isn't this cute? Oh my goodness. I just like what she does with these, and I cannot wait to try them out. You've got your week. Then you've got all the little pumpkin ones. And look, you could put 2 together if you wanted, and that would look cute if you did that in the middle. And then you've got these. You've got dinner. You've got all of your little note boxes up here of to do, next week, to clean, important. Aren't these cute? So cute. I'm going to push this candle back. It's kind of burning me. All right, now we've got the glitter headers. I got those. I just thought I'd try those out. And then I've got the washi tapes. I love the pumpkins. I just thought that's just adorable. You have Post-its on here, a couple of appointment boxes, and the trackers. Again, you've got the morning and the night tracker under one thing. I think that's very clever. I love it. You've got the canceled and rescheduled little boxes here. I just love these pumpkins. How cute are those? And then I've got all the check boxes. Isn't that cute? Okay, so this again is River and Ink. I'm going to lay this out here so you can see it. And she has a very cute style, very much my kind of style. I think these are really cute, the whimsical, cute Halloween stuff. You've got the beautiful fall planner stuff, which I'm going to put the full boxes out because I just think this is cute. You've got the beautiful fall washies and all the beautiful stuff on here. And then you've got the journal set, the sweet as apple pie. And then you have the cute things by Imagine That by Lori. Isn't that cute with the goose and the crow? I cannot wait to use all this stuff. Now look for these because I will be doing layouts with all of these stickers just to show you how you can use them and how cute they are and how it's going to help with your stuff you're doing in your life. And look, I've got all of these. I'm hoping to use up all these pickleballs. We're going to have to do that. But anyway, isn't this adorable? If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I really do appreciate you spending time with me today. I know that you have all kinds of other places that you could be. So thank you so much, and I appreciate your time. I'm going to link these sticker companies at the bottom. Also, Gift Mallard, don't forget, has these cute handmade gifts. We've also got some fall things out there and Christmas and all the seasonal stuff, so check us out. And if you love planning, crafts, a little creativity, you're in the right place. So until next time, please stay cozy, stay creative, and keep on planning. Bye.